So this doesn't pertain to my car specifically. This is a Renesis 6-port motor. You could tell by the 2 ports on the front iron, but I figured you guys would want to see it, so I got it all strapped in to the back of the G6. Tiny little engine, but it is a Renesis 6-port. I'm giving it to my friend Jake. He bought it. He actually bought it off of a kid in the same town as me, so I figured I would drive up and deliver it to him in Wisconsin while I go up to film a review. So that's what we're doing this morning, is we are going up to Wisconsin in the G6 to film a Honda Prelude, but on the way back we are going to give Jake the Renesis. So I just figured you guys would just want to see an up-close look at a Renesis 6-port motor. I have it all nice and strapped into the back seat of the G6, ready for its first day of school. And then I got a bunch of bonus parts over there. I don't even know. The OMP's over there, a bunch of other stuff. So we're going to get on the road and deliver this to our friend Jake. Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach, and today, as you can tell, it is a rainy day here in the Midwest. And so, we are not going to be actually working on the RX-7 today. The reason I haven't done a Rotary Life in so long is because the RX-7 has been absolutely flawless. Not a single issue. It doesn't like the humidity all that much, and I realize I just said didn't. It doesn't really like humidity, so on those days I just didn't drive it all that much. But I've probably put about 1,500 miles on it since the last update. Not a single issue. The diff has not acted up a single time since that day. I think it was just super, super hot and a really long drive. I will still do the diff fluid. But that being said, the car's been absolutely great, and I'll show some video and give an update on it at the end of the video. But today, as you can see, we have this gnarly pile in the corner. This is all my accumulated RX-7 parts. So as you can see, that is a catalytic converter from my FC, the old Racing Beat exhaust from my FB, S5 intake up top, the upper S5 intake down here, an FC engine mount, whole bunch of crap. And so I have a bunch of wheels, blah, blah, blah. So today we are going to organize this pile. But before we do that, 2 more things. First of all, I hope you guys are enjoying the new camera. I can actually like focus now. Of course, it doesn't work when I want it to. There it is. Really nice camera. I just got a Canon SL3. Really been enjoying it. It has a flip around screen so I can watch myself. It has autofocus while filming. Way better than the old camera. It was due for an upgrade. So hope you guys enjoy that. Second of all, if you guys see any parts that you guys want, leave a comment, shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram, whatever you want. Because odds are I am willing to get rid of it because I have too many Rotary parts. So, without further ado, let's get into cleaning up this pile. So I know it's kind of crude, but this is the plan for today. I apologize, the rain just decided to kick up. I'm gonna list all the parts that I have, their location, how many I have, and then I'm going to put it all into an Excel spreadsheet so it's super easy to identify what parts that I have. So this is what I'm going to be writing down throughout the duration of So far I've already made a couple interesting discoveries. I didn't know how many interior parts I have. I have 4 sun visors, which is funny because I don't have any installed on the car, so we might do that. But besides that, I found an inspection sticker from, it looks like, well, the next inspection has to be in May '97, but it's not actually for my RX-7, but it is for an FB. JM1 FB33, and then it goes into the VIN number, which is not my VIN number. So an Alright, so now that they're cleaned up, it looks like this one actually, the bracket for the old one is still in here, which is why one of those was actually missing its bracket. So I think they should just screw in. I'm pretty excited to have sun visors in the car because I've actually never had the sun visors in. The previous owner we got the garage organized. I now know what I have. We got the visors put back in the car and the bottom trim. Now I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but with this car, it's always been sort of piece by piece, slowly making it better, and that's exactly what we did today. So an update on the FB as a whole. Car's been great. Like I said, I celebrated 4th of July accordingly. And I've just been having a ton of fun with the car. It hasn't had a single issue. It's been absolutely great. And so I really don't have any complaints, and I haven't really had much to do with the car. It's just been good. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was probably a little bit shorter than most other Rotary Life episodes, but I do want to update you guys. The car's been doing great. I've just been super busy doing reviews, you know, trying to break into that world, because that's obviously what I want to do the rest of my life, is do car reviews. So been super busy doing that. There will be an RX-7 video up next week. The top 5 modifications for RX-7s will be up next week. So for you FB guys, definitely take a look out for that, or anyone with rotaries or who wants to get into rotaries. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will leave you guys with a slideshow / video show of everything that I've done with the FB since last time you saw it, which was, I believe, May. Might have been May, maybe June. Probably May. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. Take care, guys.